Hello students, we were doing Geography Chapter 1 Resources and Development, in which you have covered resources, then land resources. Now this is the last topic of the chapter, soil as a resource. You know that soil is the most important renewable natural resource as it is the medium of plant growth. Soil is a living system, it takes millions of years to form and it supports living organism on earth. So let's study the formation of soil. Formation of soil depends upon the various factors. First of all, the relief features. Relief features means that what is the base of the soil. किसी भी सॉइल का बेस होता है उसके उसके नीचे जो रॉक्स हैं. जैसे आपने 9th क्लास में डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ रॉक्स यू हैव रेड, दैट इज सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks. So soil, topsoil is the part of the crust and crust is made up of different kinds of rocks. So what is the base of the rock? So there are so many layers of the crust. The bottom layer of the crust is known as bedrock, then there is a upper layer, parent rock, and then weathered rock material which is composed of sand, silt, clay, etc., and then formed the topsoil. So the factor behind the formation of topsoil is its base and the base of rock. Then other factors like natural forces also contribute in the formation of soil, like change in the temperature, wind forces, or the actions of the running water. Then chemical and organic changes also important equally, and the presence of the humus in the soil which changes the chemical composition of the soil and the activities of the decomposers. So you have seen that there are so many factors which are responsible for the formation of soil. So that's why the soil of India differs in color, texture, age, thickness, chemical and physical properties. Now let's have a look on the Indian map and the distribution of major soil types. First of all, the forest and mountainous soil, which is highlighted with green color. So it is present in the Jammu and Kashmir region and Ladakh region, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. Then alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is covering the northern plains and some part of Assam, and through a narrow corridor it is moving towards the Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat also. And after West Bengal it is also covering the eastern coastal plains. See, this is the eastern coastal plains. Then red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil is highlighted with red color. So it is covering the Deccan Plateau, the northeast part of the Deccan Plateau and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau. And then black soil. Black soil is also covering the Deccan Plateau, but it is the northwest part of the Deccan Plateau. Plus it is extended somewhat to southeast also. Then laterite soil. Laterite soil, you can see that it is covering some part of Goa, then Karnataka and some part of Kerala, and it is also present in the Tamil Nadu, in Odisha and some part of West Bengal, in between Madhya Pradesh. So there are small patches here also in near Rajasthan or on the border of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Then arid soil. Arid soil is in the western margin of the Rajasthan. So this is the distribution of major soil types. These are the major soils of the India. Now classification of soil and its features. First of all, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in the northern plains and in the eastern coastal plains. Its physical property is that it is composed of sand, silt and clay. Chemical composition: potash, phosphoric acid, lime. This soil is suitable for the production of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and pulse crop. The special feature of this soil is that the alluvium deposited by three river system, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Second is black soil, which is found in the northwest and southeast of Deccan Plateau. It is clay in nature and black in color. Chemical composition of this soil are calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, lime. It is suitable for the cotton crop This soil is also known as Rigur soil. This is the most fertile soil also, and it is made up of lava flows, as in the ancient period this region was the site of volcanic eruption. Now the third soil is red and yellow soil, which is found in the eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Its color is red and it is crystalline in nature. It is found in the areas of low rainfall. It is composed of iron and it looks red when the iron is diffused. This soil is good for the production of groundnut, gram and ragi. And this soil looks yellow when it is in a wet form. जब ये गीली हो जाती है तो ये yellow लगती है. Now laterite soil. It is found in some parts of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. It has no top layer and there is an intense leaching due to heavy rain. ज़्यादा तेज़ बारिश होने की वजह से इसकी टॉप लेयर ड्रेन हो जाती है. Humus bacteria destroyed due to high temperature. This soil is good for the production of tea, coffee and cashew nut. This is most infertile soil and it can be productive only with the adequate doses of fertilizers. Now arid and desert soil, which is found in the western Rajasthan. It is sandy in nature and its color is red to brown. It is saline in nature. This soil can be used for the production of wheat, maize, pulse or barley, as these all crops are saline tolerant crops. And special feature of this soil is that its bottom layer is occupied by the conker nodules and it has only 2 layers of soil. Now the last is forest soil or mountainous soil, which is found in the hilly areas. In the valley side it is loamy and silty. At the upper slopes of hills it is coarse grained, means soil बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटी है. And at the lower slopes alluvial soil is found. The snow-covered hills found the feature of denudation. Denudation means when the upper layer of the soil gets separated from the earth's surface. It is acidic and of low humus due to the cool climate. This soil is good for the production of tea, spices and fruits. Basically, this soil is suitable for all kinds of crops. And the special feature of this soil is that the soil varies with increasing altitude.